Oh, Danny boy, the pipes are calling.
Hello folks, I'm Johnny Cashflow, and with a heavy heart, I just want to say to all my fellow Kekistanis, praise Kek, and we stand with you in solidarity.
Lord of Dankness, my old friend, normies oppressing us again, watching commies flee on live streaming, farming keks with all this dank memeing, fight the brainwashing that was planted a while in Yale, fucking white male, fighting for social justice. In Linda's dreams I'd be a cuck, but I've no time for peaceful trucks, swimming through their sea of Marxist tears, allied with my fellow red pill peers. When my rage was stoked by the blur of an airborne wreck, baseman with stick, resist the cult of commies. And in the Berkeley streets I saw 1,000 retards, maybe more, people shouting Nazi at centrists, pissed off hysterical mass Bolshevists, people crying racist, that shit we never said, and then they fled, disturbed by sense and logic. Privilege, oh you spoiled brat, your bourgeois cult needs chemostat, your gender studies teachers mislead you, nurture violence against homo Jews, and it's you who claim we're Hitler's fans. It's time to face the mirror. Righteous people rose and read that verdict God that they decreed. Kekistani so merry floating, proudly sing their anthem Shady Lane. And the Poles said that demon Hillary wouldn't ever have to take her loss. Can't stop the Trump. So much for social justice.
I think that happens a lot on Angel. I think you are secretly sexist, and you probably won't put this in the video, but...
Well, no, I mean...